Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your First National Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search First National Bank. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.fnbonline.com. Once the page has been loaded up, click to log in from the top right corner. Then enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to log in. Then you should be able to access your First National Bank account. If you forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to reset your password. And if you don't have online banking yet, click to sign up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.